Hi, my name is Lili. Welcome to my new steampunk series. Today I'd like to show you how I made this jetpack out of recycled materials. And it's got wings! I'm going to show you how I built this jetpack from scratch, mainly with all sorts of recycled material that I found around my workshop, and after years of DIY project where I keep all the leftovers, I've got tons to work with. So first I lay down all my materials on the table, then I narrow it down to what I think looks really cool as a jetpack. I'm going to show you as well the other materials I've used to put this jetpack together. I wanted to create something where I didn't have to buy anything, where everything was recycled. The only elements I had to buy was some gas stay to make sure that the wings lift properly and stay up. Then I've also bought a vegan belt cut in half to create the backpack. And at the end of the video, I'm going to explain the different mechanisms I've tried and those that fail to have the wings opening properly and stay up. So hopefully if you try to do some wings at home, that might be helpful. Enjoy the video! When it comes to the mechanism, I thought let's do it simple. So I went with a screw here, some string going all the way to the tubes, and I thought I can have something that I can pull from underneath. That was a fail. It struggled to lift, it was too heavy, and it didn't open fully and stay up. So then I decided to go back to the DIY store and get those gas struts, or stay, I think. And you can find them in the kitchen section. They use for the kitchen cabinet to keep them up and up. The strength is usually calculated N with a number. Those are 4 stay that are N80. If you have N60, that's even better. Initially I tried with 120 or 150. My wings were flying straight away. So N80, 4 of them. If you only put 2, you put too much strength on one side and it will pull the hinges. So having 2 of them, 1 on each side, allow the wings to open where you want. The next problem was how to keep them down, because it's great to have them up, but they want to stay up. They don't stay down. So the next problem to solve, initially I thought I'm gonna have a string going all the way to the pipe and on top of my belt so I can pull something from there. Well, that didn't work out. It was too hard and it just didn't hold together. So then I try to simply attach a piece of string underneath and clip it so that it holds. I do it on both sides. And when I want to open the wings, I just pull the strings from underneath and it liberates the hinges. Ta-da! And it opens. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Next week, I'm going to show you how I build a steampunk gun out of recycled material.